all have that one question: how these advertising agencies are compensated, how they earn money. So, advertising agencies are compensated in three ways: commissions, some type of fee arrangement, or percentage charges. Commission system. Commission system is where the agency receives a specified commission, usually 15% from the media and any advertising time or space it purchases for its clients. Negotiated commission. Negotiated commission system whereby the commissions average from 8 to 10 percentage or based on a sliding scale that becomes lower as the client media expenditure increases. Fixed fee method. Fixed fee method. The agency charges a basic monthly fee for all its services and credit to the clients any media commissions earned. Fee plus commission combination. So fee commission combination in which the media commissions received by the agency are credited against the fee, and it if the commissions are less than the agreed on fee, the client must make up the difference. Cost plus system. Cost plus system, the client agrees to pay the agency a fee based on cost of its work plus some agreed on profit margin, often a percentage of total cost. Incentive based system. Many clients are demanding more accountability from their agencies and tying agency compensation to performance through some type of incentive based system. Percentage changes. Adding a markup of percentage charges to various services the agency purchases from outside provider. This may include market research, artwork, printing, photography, and other services or materials. Financial audit. The financial audit focuses on how the agency conducts its business. It is designed to verify cost and expenses, the number of personnel hours charged to an account, and payment to media and outside supplier. Qualitative audit. The qualitative audit focuses on the agency's efforts in planning and developing and implementing the client's advertising program and considers the results achieved. So with this, we complete how the agencies are compensated concept under integrated marketing communication.